Are looking for how to install MySQL on Windows 11, stick around. This video has everything you need to know. To install MySQL on your system, the steps can be depending on your operating system. Follow the instructions for installing MySQL on Windows. Open browser, go to official MySQL website, click on downloads, scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, click on MySQL installer for Windows, select latest version, select Windows, choose the appropriate version for your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. This both can work for 64-bit as well. I'm gonna choose the second one because this is a complete package. Click on download. No thanks, just start my download. Click on it. Start download. Once the installer is downloaded, open it. This installer will guide you through the setup process where you can select the version of MySQL to install along with other tools like MySQL Workbench. Select custom so that we can understand what we are installing. Click on next and add select, drag. Workbench is a UI to create database tables and perform operations. Drag here, select and drag and click on next. Click on execute, click on next, click on next, leave it default, next, next, yeah. Root is the admin. Here we need to set a password. Click on next. Remember this password. Next. This is the path. Click on next. Click on execute. Finish. Next. Finish. Before performing any program, let's set the path. Close the window. Go to C drive. C drive. Program files and MySQL server bin. Copy the path. Search environment variables. Go to advanced. Select environment variables and double click on path. Click on new and paste here. Okay. Let me check MySQL is successfully installed or not. Open command prompt. Type MySQL space hyphen hyphen version. Hit enter. Yeah, successfully installed. Now I'm gonna connect to MySQL server. Space hyphen UU for user. Root is the admin if you remember. Space hyphen P for password. Hit enter. I'm gonna enter password. Hit enter. Successfully connected to MySQL community server. I'm gonna show you some databases. Semicolon. Hit enter. These are the default databases. If you want to create any database, just type create database space semicolon. Hit enter. Query OK means successfully created a database. Let me show you. Semicolon. Hit enter. Here we go. We successfully created a database. If you want to drop this database, just type drop database. Type the database name. Semicolon. Hit enter. Query OK means successfully deleted. Let me show you. Here we go. We successfully deleted a database. Now open Workbench. Click here. Enter password. Hit enter. Interface of Workbench. I will make a special tutorial on a Workbench. If you need help with a specific feature or have a question about using MySQL Workbench, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate all your support. See you in the next video. Your support means a lot. Thank you so much.